Hello and welcome to Learn Data. It's great to have you on this channel. I am Nilesh, and in this video, we'll look at the very first app, which is the object detection with TensorFlow Lite. Before we get into that, I just want to make sure that you have downloaded the code from GitHub, which is the examples underscore dash master folder that will create after unzipping, and you also have installed Android Studio, and then finally enable the developer option on your mobile device and enabled USB debugging. So after all that is set, what we then need to do is open Android Studio. So I'll open that now. And once the studio is open, I'll cancel this because I've already had that project open. So what you want to do is click on open an existing project. When you click on that, you'll get an option to choose a folder. So the folder you want to navigate to is in the examples dash master file. If you click on that, click on light and then click on examples and then click on object detection and Android and then click open. It'll take a couple of seconds to open that particular project in Android Studio. And once it is open, as shown here, what you want to do first is uh, build the project. So make project, and while the project is being built, you may see some notifications on the bottom right corner of the screen which says update, or which says Gradle sync or update Gradle, uh, uh, things like that. So if those appear here, you want to click on updates and to make sure that um, it has the code, updated code, that the app has the updated code that it needs to run. So after the make project step is finished, you'll see on the bottom left hand side where it says Gradle build finished. Once this build is finished, we are now ready to run the app on the mobile device. So I've already connected the mobile device using USB to the computer, and as you can see here, that device was automatically detected. And if it is not detected, you want to make sure that if a dialog box pops up on your mobile device that says allow this computer to connect, so you want to make sure you click on allow to make that connection. So once this is connected, what I'm going to do now is press run on the on in Android Studio, and then I'll record the screen on my mobile device, and then that's what you'll be seeing after the code is run. So this is the screen of my phone, and after clicking run on Android Studio, this is what I'm seeing on my screen. So here I want to give permission to use the camera, so I'll hit continue, and after that this is pop up because I've already had that app installed. You may or may not see that, so just click OK on that, and then we now have an object detection app running on the phone. That's amazing. So here you can see that it is able to detect the laptop and keyboard, and here now it's able to detect the mouse also. There are about 90 plus objects that it can detect, and I hope you have fun with this particular app, and uh, kind of use it and see if you can detect any more objects. There are some misclassifications also, so it may detect some objects uh, uh, incorrectly, but that's expected. Here's another clip of object detection in traffic, and you can see how AI can detect a person or a bike, traffic lights. There's some misclassifications as well. I hope you enjoyed this clip.